An explainer video about starting a home-based pizza business is like turning your kitchen into a tiny neighborhood pizzeria where dough dreams come true. Here's the full picture in simple, straight language. No chopping into bullet pieces, just one smooth story. First, decide what kind of pizza you will make. Keep it simple in the beginning. 1 or 2 styles work best, like classic cheese, chicken pizza, or veggie pizza. Don't try to be everything at once. People remember taste, not menu size. Practice your recipe again and again until the crust is soft inside, slightly crisp outside, and the sauce tastes rich, even without many toppings. Next, check if home food selling is allowed in your area. In many places, you can sell homemade food if the kitchen is clean and you follow basic hygiene rules. You may need a small food registration or local permission. This step sounds boring, but saves you from trouble later. Now, set up your kitchen properly. You don't need fancy machines. A good oven, a strong rolling surface, mixing bowls, measuring cups, a pizza tray, a sharp cutter, and clean storage boxes are enough to start. Buy ingredients fresh and in small quantities at first, so nothing gets wasted. Flour, yeast, oil, cheese, sauce, and toppings should always be stored cleanly and safely. Then decide your price. Calculate how much one pizza costs you, including ingredients, gas or electricity, packaging, and a little profit. Keep your price friendly, especially at the start. People love trying new food when the price feels fair. Create a simple brand. Pick a fun or catchy pizza name and stick with it. Print small stickers or write your name and phone number on the pizza box. Good packaging matters because people eat with their eyes first. Even a plain box looks great if it's clean and neatly packed. Now comes selling. Start with people you already know. Tell friends, family, neighbors, shopkeepers, and office workers nearby. Post clear photos and videos of your pizza on WhatsApp status, Facebook, or Instagram. Show the cheese pull, the baking process, and happy customers. Take orders on phone or WhatsApp to keep it easy. For delivery, begin small. Either customers pick up from your home, or you deliver nearby yourself, or through a local rider. Promise only what you can manage. Late delivery can ruin even the best pizza. Cleanliness is your secret weapon. Always wear clean clothes, wash hands often, keep nails short, and cover hair. A clean kitchen builds trust, and trust brings repeat customers. Listen to feedback carefully. If someone says the crust is thick or the sauce is spicy, don't argue. Improve quietly. Small improvements turn first-time buyers into regulars.